There's a bird in this tree. Sparrow. Put the balls on the tree. It's an extra feeding ground at the front garden. Around the tree. See if you can see anything in there. Hiding in there now. Maybe not this one. See the peck marks. It's a lovely frosty morning here in Ireland. I saw the tree move there. So we're going to sit that side. I put some seed on the ground as well. So I'll keep you updated on how the birds are feeding out the front garden. And now I leave them alone. And it's cold, it's pretty cold out here. Leave them alone and feed away on the energy balls. Little bonus video here for us. Starling eating the chicken. Bits of chicken here from the starling. This from the front porch, by the way. And we go over here. See the energy balls. And find a birdie now eating the energy balls. They're eating the bird. They're eating the energy balls. I find one now through the window here. Difficult. There he is. Totally eating. And got some more sparrows here on the floor eating the bird seed I left down. So let's change from the front back garden. There you go, little video. Energy balls and the sparrows having their fill. And we've got a few crows around. We don't know what they eat. There's a crow flying around. There you go.